Hello everyone. Did you know you can streamline your Instacart experience with a digital card? It is an easy process, and today I will guide you on how to get your Instacart digital card if you are in Canada. So now let's dive in. Start by opening the Instacart app on your mobile device. If you don't have an application yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Now once installed, sign in to your Instacart account or create a new one if you have not already. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Account Settings. From there, navigate to Payment Methods. Now this section lets you manage your payment options, including setting up the digital card. Now scroll down until you see Digital Card option. Tap on it, then follow the on-screen prompts to request your card. You will be asked to enter some details like your preferred payment method and billing address. Now once you submit your information, Instacart will generate your unique digital card linked to your account. After your card is issued, you will receive a confirmation email with activation instructions. Follow the steps to activate your card and you are good to go. You can now use it for shopping and quick checkouts in stores that accept Instacart payments. And there you have it. Your Instacart digital card is ready for use. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.